Boom! Right here, guys. This is a WATERPIK Evolution. This thing is powerful and quiet. Let's check this out. It comes with the user manual right here, and it comes with some quick start guide right there. Let's go ahead and open this up and check it out. Ooh, wow, fancy. I love the little silver lining right here. That looks really, really nice. Oh wow, the wires coil in. And you have the magnetic right there. Oh, that's so sweet. Alright, we have the power plug right here. On top right here, you have the water tank. Simple and easy to take out, but the coolest part is this thing's hinged. Check it out. There we go. Open it up. That's fancy. Fill up water, close it down, put it in right here. That's so nice. So lightweight, so compact, but powerful. Right here, you got 10 speed settings. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and power button right there. So cool, so elegant. Power button and the 10 speed setting right there. Plug this in and you're ready to rock and roll. Very cool. Even the head right here is maneuverable, so you have a little spin right here, and this is how you eject the head. Smooth on off button right there, and I just love the coil. You see how when you use this thing will coil in, and the magnet holds it right there. It's magnetic. We're gonna use a classic tip right here. This is the classic tip. All you gotta do is put on the tip. When you push it in, it locks in and it's solid. But still, this is maneuverable. See how you can change the angle? So easy to change the angle because it has little clicks on it. If you listen to it, there's some clicks, right? And eject out, it's push this button up there, eject. Push it in, locks in place. Very cool, very secure. And again, the coil, magnet holds it in. Nice little bin right here. Open up, fill it up, put it in. There we go. Very cool. This is the WATERPIK Evolution. One of the best versions yet. Quiet, compact, full of luxury feature, and it's the best of the best. Can't ask for more than that, right? WATERPIK Evolution right there. Oh yeah.